Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Bobcat T650 rubber track skid steer loader. This loader is a 2019. It has 1,630 hours. It is cab, heat, air, selectable joystick control, 2-speed. It has a brand new set of 400 millimeter, which is 16-inch wide tracks on it. 80-inch factory OEM Bobcat bucket. Machine is very, very nice condition. All the white paint's original. We did paint the bottom gray. Obviously, the track frame's fairly typical. Cab is all original. We just sold the brother to this one that had 1,580 hours on it last week because it was done first. Both machines were very, very nice, clean machines, taken care of. We just put new tracks on them and we fully serviced the machine. So a little different thing here we do. All the filters and oils are changed, hub oils, everything is ready to go. We do use OEM Bobcat filters and oils. So we're going to walk you around this machine. We're going to show you all about it. I'm going to start it, run it, and take you all around the machine. So on the back side of this machine, the door is actually original. We chose to leave it original. There's a couple scuffs back here, but other than that, it really tells the tale of the machine. It is a very, very straight, clean machine that way. Back pillars are also all original white paint. In the engine compartment, it's going to be powered by a Bobcat D24 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We did a full service at 1628. We changed all filters and oils. Again, we mark everything. MSC stands for Mark Supply Company. New fuel filter, air filters, cabin filters, hub oils, hydraulic, charge fan, everything like that has been serviced and changed. Underneath here, you're going to have your fuel cooler, your AC condenser, your hydraulic pack, and that consists of your cooling package, such as your radiator and hydraulic cooler. Inside the door has a sound deadening material in it. It is all very nice shape. Cab, heat, air all work. Air conditioning is good. It is a 2-speed machine. And we did, like I said, just put a brand new set of tracks on. I do go with the C-lug pattern. I do like that pattern the best. Balance the undercarriage is about 80%. Sprockets themselves are about 85%. That's why I left them on. There was still a ton of running in those sprockets. So we just put the new tracks on. And you'll see both sides match that, okay? I want everybody to understand that. Right around $2,600 in a set of tracks. Up front has a factory 80-inch Bobcat bucket. Holes are there for a bolt-on edge. If a guy want to put one on it, you can do that, but the cutting edge is in beautiful condition. Power quick attach. We've been through the Bobcats, checked everything out. Very good and tight. No leaks on any cylinders that we found anywhere. There is some remainder of a little wee bit of concrete spatter up front. Nothing major. Pointing it out. I chose not to paint the front plates here because the machine was all original that way. I left the white paint alone because it really speaks truly what the machine is. Standard flow, 23 gallons a minute. Hydraulic here, you got your 2 half-inch ports. You're going to have your 3/8 K-strain, 7-pin attachment control device. Okay. Cab door is all complete, including wiper, washer. Everything is there. We did put a brand new door shock on. I'm having a great day. I got a hole in my pocket and I have a quarter going down my leg. Seat is in excellent condition, suspension style seat. This does have selectable joystick controls. Rear view mirror, which is nice there in the machine. Right here you're going to have your keyless deluxe display panel. Going to see here, no active warnings. There is going to be all of your vitals. Maintenance clock if you so choose to turn it on. 1,630 hours. Tack, volts. DR1, so it's on driver response 1. You can turn that up by clicking those 2 buttons. I run it in generally 1 or 2. Just tells you how sensitive the joysticks are. Speed drift is something you can adjust to keep the machine tracking straight. You got your fuel and temperature. Push to operate, parking brake, we'll push the push to operate button. It is a 2-speed machine, and the snail mode works. There's snail mode. All the vents are in the cab. 2,690 safe lift, and then I forget what the tip is on these, like 60 some hundred pounds. Cab heat, air, everything is there. Hand throttle, power bob attach, selectable joystick control. You can slide these and move the joysticks where you want for your arm length, which is nice. And again, like I said, all the vents are in, all the glass is complete. Listen, good machines are hard to find. The other T650 we put on was online for all of about 24 hours and it was sold. It's hard to find nice 650 size machines, 74 horsepower loaders. I can't come up with them. It seems like what we're finding is either T590, 595s are absolutely completely whooped, or T770s, but everybody's kind of in that 74 horse mindset at the moment. It's just kind of hard to come by. So I'm going to fire this thing up. We're going to run it around, shoot it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, cab heat, air. We have no error codes. 74 horse machine, no def, vertical lift path, selectable joystick, and power bob attach. It is a wide track machine. Undercarriage is in beautiful shape. Again, I really like this size of loader. Seems like a great size. I own a 770 just because that's what I bought. Had a machine come in, I kept it. I don't know. I think these are a very good loader. Keeps you out of the DEF system. Still, 74 horsepower loader will do a majority of everything you want to do today. They'll give you your standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Biggest thing is, gives you 23 GPM. That 23 gallon a minute. You can run any kind of attachment out there you want today, whether it's a brush cutter, power rake, if you want to run a 2-speed, if you want to run auger drive, whatever, you can do that with these machines without an issue. There's 2-speed reverse. There you can see I'm basically counter-rotating tracks, lifting the boom at the same time. Booming the machine's nice and tight. It's not slopping and flopping around. And again, I like the Bobcat joystick control in the machines. Very smooth. I think they have a great feel to them. The response on them is nice. There's some machines you'll run, the actual delay in them is just absolutely horrible. But I find that Bobcat has a very, very good joystick. It's comfortable. You can run it all day. It's not wearing your wrists out. And it has a comfortable feel to it. The whole machine has a comfortable feel to it. And let's face it, Bobcat's been around a long time. And I will tell people, if you're buying a skid loader today, Bobcat, a Kubota, or a G-Series John Deere, an E is alright. But the G's, in my opinion, that's the 3 companies that are making a skid loader today. You can get parts support. The biggest thing is today, a lot of guys will agree, maybe some guys won't. When you need a part for something, you need it today, you can get it from those 3 companies. You get into some of these other brands, I mean, holy heck. And I'm not going to mention names or anything, but you know, there's a company upcoming with this whacker thing, I guess I'll say. It's how are you going to get product support for that in time? How are you going to get to work on it? So you're buying a skid loader, I think when you're investing that kind of money, you better buy something that has a household brand name, something you know you can get parts for. And let's face it, Bobcat has always been the name in the industry. There is more aftermarket parts out there today for Bobcat than any other brand. There is a lot of technologies out there that you can get to work on your Bobcat stuff. You know, there's a lot of great support, so to speak, and a lot of people know these machines, and they also know that, you know, guys aren't afraid to share knowledge and things that they've learned on these machines. So I myself get calls every week, hey, what do you know about this? And I'm not afraid to share with somebody, really not. 2-speed reverse. I'm going to go ahead and open up the power attach. Power attach works nice, all hydraulic. Now, we're in ISO mode now. Reverse, forward, left, right, okay? Now, we've got up, down, that's all ISO. We flip over to H, reset my parking brake. Now, that's gonna be left side drive, right side drive, uncurl, curl, boom up, boom down. So that's H pattern. Let me go ahead and reset that back to where we were, okay? So that all works. There again, I take the time to show you that that kind of stuff works. Some guys don't do that. I do. So, if you're looking for a nice 650, you want something to go to work, you want something that's a good old clean, a nice clean old machine, brand new tracks, wide track on it, which I like using a wide track myself. There are a lot of guys who put the narrow track on, and they're doing it because they're saving a couple bucks. In my opinion, I don't think you're saving the customer anything. On a big machine, I like the wides. And again, 74 horse, no def, nice size track loader. Get something done with this size of machine. Guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Guys, good running working machine, 1,630 hours. Cab, heat, air, joystick, 2-speed. Machine is ready to go to work. Again, brand new tracks just installed. This does have the later series drive motors in it. Again, we just sold the brother to it. Lasted about 24 hours online and was sold. You got any questions? 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you guys very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. And if you do need a trucking quote, if you do need assistance in financing, we can send you to some places if you're a business. I don't have much to offer you on the personal side, but if we can help you, again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.